Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 15th to the 19th of December 2025 on Monday. Gogo Siya's success unsettles Faith, who's left shaken after a revealing reading, while Honor faces rejection from KD and Neo struggled with the gossip surrounding their breakup on Tuesday. Faith MC's plot to expose Gogo Siya as a fraud, forcing Faith to pretend support while Honor faces rejection from Neo and an unexpected call from KD on Wednesday. Faith secretly uncovers Gogo Siya's real name to help expose her, while Neo rages over Honor's offer of friendship and Honor's growing connection with KD leads to a passionate kiss on Thursday. Faith learns Gogo Siya's spiritual story is a lie and plans to use it against him, while Honor and KD make their relationship official, leaving Honor torn about confessing the truth to Neo on Friday. Faith exposes Gogo Siya's real identity and lies, shocking Kosi and Les, while KD pushes Honor to reveal their relationship as Neo misread anxiety as hope of a reunion. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.